is KekeMel, and today I'm back to show you guys some items that are new to my Coach collection. Before I do, I wanted to bring back up my LV fiasco when I got my clay that had a quality control issues because the stitching was and still is very loose. I wanted to give you an update that I never ever returned it. I kind of chickened out. I made plans to return it at least twice and never went because I just felt like they would give me issues about it because it was so far past the return date. Store policies are store policies, and places that are higher end a lot of times just don't let you get around that. It had been at least 60 to 90 days past the time that I had purchased it because, like I said in the video, I had clays before, so me opening up the box to look at my clay wasn't exciting to me. I just was like, forget about it. I don't feel like being bothered with that. I don't feel like going through the hassle or the stress or the anxiety when it comes to that. I still have it, still don't know what to do with it. It's hard because if I were to sell it, I would feel bad selling it for anywhere close to the price that I bought it for, even though it's brand new, because I know it's not a good quality item. I know there's stuff that's wrong with it, and I know that somebody who purchases it from me will feel it and be like, this does not feel good. It's just such a bad quality item. I don't feel good about trying to sell it, but I still have it for sale. I don't feel good about having it, and I don't feel good about selling it. Another thing someone brought up in that video, and I definitely deleted their comment because I felt like it wasn't coming from a good place. They explained how they buy their $5,000 items from Louis Vuitton and how they've never had an issue in life. I'm like, do you not watch YouTube? Do you not see that? And I'm not the only person having quality control issues. There are people buying $5,000 bags having issues, and there are people buying $300 small leather goods having issues. Like it's not just me, number one. Number two, she was like, well, it's only $300, and $300 Louis Vuitton is $1, so who cares? Everyone cares because people who are buying their $5,000 bags are using the $300 small leather goods to organize their bags. You don't want to have a $5,000 bag with some bad quality small leather goods. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. Whether they're selling something for $5,000, the quality should be up there, just like for things that they're selling for $300. So that comment I just deleted. It made no sense to me. Who cares if Louis Vuitton thinks that their $300 clay is only worth $1? It should still be of good quality. But clearly at this point, it doesn't matter how much their things cost. The quality is just different. So anyways, I digress. Let's get into the small leather goods I purchased from Coach. I love the fact that I didn't have to spend a lot, and I got some good quality items that I can use in my bag to organize my bags, and also I can use alone as well if I don't want to carry a big old bag. First piece I want to get into is this piece right here. All my pieces were purchased from the Coach outlet store online. This actually was the last one. It literally said one left. So I made sure to grab it real quick because I've always wanted a coin purse and I don't have one. And I thought if I'm going to get a coin purse, I'm going to get it from Coach because of Coach's affordability and also because of their quality. I know that, okay, if it's not the best quality, it's not a huge deal because it's not a ton of money. But also I know that for the most part, their things are good quality and will hold up. This is the front of the coin purse and this is the back. So it looks completely the same on the front and the back. This retails for $128, but I believe I bought it for $28. You can't beat that. You cannot beat a mid-level designer coin purse for $25. I think that's why it sold out. So along with it being a coin purse, it can also be used as a keychain. It can also be used as a bag charm. Now, none of these pieces, even though they can be used as bag charms, I wouldn't use any of them as bag charms. I feel like they're just too big and bulky to be bag charms. But I mean, if you want to use it as a bag charm, you can. So yeah, you can put it on your key ring, or you can put it on your bag, or you can just use it inside of your bag as organization to put your coins or your money in. When you open it up, this is the interior of it. I love the fact that it has the brown interior. The material is a fabric material. Because it's brown, I don't have to worry about it getting dirty. I wish I had some coins to put in it, but I don't. So we'll just put cash in it. When you do put cash in it, you have to be careful to kind of fold it up really good because the cash can get caught in the zipper. So with cash in it, this is what it looks like. The one thing I want to say about this is I feel like It might be a returned item, I'm not sure, but I really don't care because it's only $25. But if you notice, it kind of dips in right here, and it also dips in right here, or that just could be the quality of the piece that it kind of dips in. And even when it doesn't have any cash in it, it still has that dip. But like I said, for the price, I really don't care that it has that dip. Now, if this was a Louis Vuitton piece for $300, I would care about that dip. Another thing that I like is the fact that it has the piping at the bottom instead of just stitching. I think piping is a good idea for Louis Vuitton instead of doing really bad quality stitching that separates. Maybe add some piping instead. I think that's a good idea. And then it has high polished gold. So the gold is really, really shiny. I'd love to see how this wears, like if it stays really shiny and really high polished gold. So it has this piece right here, and then it has this ring right here, and then it also has this little tag right here that says Coach on it. I don't know how well you can see that. The zipper has a little bit of leather on it, and then of course the piping has leather as well. So I really love this piece, 100% keeping it, and for $25 you cannot beat that. I'll have the link down below just in case they have more, but like I said, they said this was the last one. If you're going somewhere where all you need is cash on you, you don't really need any cards, use it this way. So this is my next piece. Is this bag not gorgeous? I hope you can see it. So I hope you can see the bag and the details of the bag. It has the CCs all around, and it also has like a Coach plaque right here. It says Coach. It has the leather handles, leather piping, and then it's plain in the back. It actually has the word Coach on the side. It's kind of written in there. Also piping around the sides right here. This is so well made for the price that it is. For this to be such a well made small leather good, this was only $50, and they still have these available. It also has the high polished gold. This one doesn't actually have the same key ring that my other piece had. So it doesn't have this, but it does have this right here. And this piece right here works kind of the same way that a actual key ring would work. It also has the gold Coach tag right here. This is the interior. Once again, it has that same cloth interior lining, but it's a brown interior, so it won't show up dirt that well, which I love. I could put makeup in here. So we can start off with a powder puff. Then we can start off with a travel size setting or blotting powder. It can fit a lot more than just that. We can put some chapstick in there. You can put in your travel size perfume. And this is one of the perfumes that could easily spill out in your bag. So you'd want to put it in something and not just put it in your bag, since I'm sure this cap comes off really easily. So you could put that in there. At this point, it's pretty much full. It has my chapstick, my powder puff, and my perfume. And then it closes perfectly. So I feel like it fit a lot for the size that it is and organizes your bag perfectly, so you don't have things spilling out and you don't have things just laying all over the place trying to find. I love this. I love the fact that it looks like a mini Speedy, but it's a Coach. It is just so gorgeous to me, and the price is so perfect for a small leather good and for the quality. The regular price is $138, and I'm pretty sure I bought it for like $50 to $54. So it was a great price for this. So unlike the coin purse, this can fit your driver's license and your cards. It fits a lot. So what you can use this as is a actual mini purse. This doesn't just have to be used to organize your purse. This can be used as an actual micro bag to wear with your outfits. This is my last piece that's also a micro bag. This is the piece, as you can see, I didn't take everything off of it because I'm not sure about this one. If you compare the size of these two, it fits a lot more than the Speedy lookalike. And then it also has the zipper in the front where you can add something in the front. So you can add coins in the front. You can add SD cards and batteries in the front as well. So I love that separation that can protect things like SD cards and batteries, while you can put makeup and money and cards and lip gloss and all the other stuff in this part of the bag, your powders, anything else you want in this part of your bag, or your keys. But my issue is I don't feel like I need both of these. Even though this one holds more, I feel like I would prefer to go with this one. I wanted to get both of them because I wasn't sure, and I also tried them out in my bags. I feel like this is a little bit bulky for my bags. It fits, and especially with the bag that I plan to get, it would fit perfect with all of the pieces, but I just don't know if I should keep this. I know my boo's gonna be like, just keep it, just keep it. So let me get into the details of this piece. It has the CC canvas. It has leather in the front, loves. It has leather on the sides. Oh my goodness. Is this even a pocket? Oh, okay, I thought that was a pocket. So yeah, it has leather on the sides and also on the bottom. It has canvas in the back and the canvas straps. So for $54 to have so much leather on this piece, plus detailing, and it says Coach right here, still has the very high shine hardware. This is $54 just like this piece, and the regular price is also the same as this piece. Did you keep all 3 pieces? Ah, I love them. I love them both so much. I don't know what to do. I hope this video was helpful for you guys if you're looking into micro bags and you don't want to spend an arm and a leg, or if you're looking for a bag charm, you might be interested in these pieces as well. Or if you're looking for bag organization pieces and you don't want to buy a clay or anything that's like $300 that's going to be bag quality, I think that you should definitely check these out because the quality is amazing, and the amount of leather on these items compared to a clay that has no leather on it at all. I can't get over my clay experience, and I can't get over how amazing these pieces are in comparison to a piece that I paid so much for. So I hope you guys found the video helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much. Bye, loves.